Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is where we embrace our crochet ADHD and have fun doing it. I have been trying my hardest to get that metallic yarn from I Love This Yarn over at Hobby Lobby, but they have been sold out for like over a week, maybe 2 weeks now. And I need it to make these sleeping bags for the elves. And I try to do them all in sparkle yarn. So I have an overabundance of green and blue, but no red. So I'm a little worried about that. So I went to Hobby Lobby. They just got a truckload in and I went there to see what they had. They didn't have it. So I went to Michael's too. So let's see what I got for this Christmas yarn haul and compare Michael's to Hobby Lobby. So like I said, I drove all the way over to Hobby Lobby and they did not have that Christmas yarn, but I am making some gnomes. This is the body. So I figured I would try to get some colors that would go well for the hats and the bodies in like some neutral colors. So I want to show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby for that. I did get more of the gray just in case I ran out of that. And it actually turned out I had just enough to finish that body. So this is not needed, but I could definitely use this for hand warmers or maybe like a smaller gnome. Oh, and then this one is called dark gray. Okay, and then I got two more that I thought would be really great for the body colors. And I got two of them just in case. And I really love this color. This is a gorgeous color to make for the body. And this is called Walnut. And this is I Heart This Yarn. And this is over at Hobby Lobby. And I absolutely love this color. It's great neutral to do the body of the gnome in. And then I got this green because I actually don't have a lot of green. Maybe 4 or 5 over there, but not the right green. And so I did get this. I believe it's a dark olive. Yeah, dark olive. And so I thought that maybe it wasn't exactly the right green I was looking for, but I figured, it is a pretty green and it would make a cute hat. So I literally just got 4 skeins of yarn over there, but I did get some Gorilla Super Glue because one thing I noticed at the last gnome I made is that if you buy the faux fur and you can glue it onto the gnome, right? And this makes a much better beard than me having to tie the pieces of yarn on there and then comb them out with that wire brush. It's so time consuming. So I'm just gonna super glue this puppy on here and call it good. But it was sale week over at Hobby Lobby, so I actually didn't spend as much as you'd think. I spent $22.04 on 4 skeins of yarn and the super glue. I was pleasantly surprised when I went to Michael's though, so let's get into that. Michael's was more expensive than Hobby Lobby, which I was actually surprised at, but after last week and me buying that display case, I should have realized. So in the spirit of the gnomes, I love this red. Look at this. I love the different, like the speckled look to it. I think that looks absolutely stunning. This is Heartland, Lion Brand Heartland yarn. Okay. And this color is called, I don't know how to read this one. Okay, so I cannot actually find what it's called. It says color no de color, Codor. I have no idea. I'm gonna zoom in right here and then freeze the frame so that y'all can see what this says because that is very confusing. But I got 2 of those and I think that this is gonna make a great gnome hat. I got the same thing in green basically. So it's got the speckled yarns and I thought this would make another great gnome hat, way better than the other one I got over there at Hobby Lobby. And this one, let's see if it has the same issue. Yes, it's the same thing. So I am not sure what you're supposed to call this, what color it is. If anyone knows how to read these dang labels, let me know because I don't normally buy Lion Brand and that would be extremely hard if you're trying to buy multiple skeins of the same yarn and you don't know what the heck they're called. That is annoying. Nope. No clue, but it's very pretty and I love it. I think it's gorgeous. I got another gray. Oh, and all of these were buy 2 get 1 free because they were still doing their Black Friday sale. So I did get like every third one was free. So I saved a little bit of money, but this is another really great gray. I thought this would make a good body for a gnome. I got another green. I kind of went off, you guys. Like this is different. Okay, this is different than the other green. And if you need to compare, here, I'll compare the two. They are different. I can tell that like it looks so slight, the difference of these two, but trust me, they're different. This one is way darker. See, so far away you can tell. Up close in the light, they almost look the same, but you can see the difference right here. Absolutely. So I got 2 of each of these. And then in the spirit of, more neutral colors for the gnome body, I got a couple of these. I thought this was good. And then you're gonna laugh at me because I did the same thing with the gray or with the green. And I got this. And they're different. They are different. This is darker, this is lighter. And I got 2 of these and 2 of these. So I basically got 2 of each because when I do the gnomes, I do double strand, and I have no idea how hard these are gonna be to use the outside and the inside of the skein, and I didn't wanna have to struggle with it. But I did spend a pretty penny at Michael's, and I spent put my handy dandy glasses on. I spent $58 even because I donated 10 cents to the Boys and Girls Club. But yeah, $58 even. And so I spent insanely more money at Michael's than I did over at Hobby Lobby. But I'm gonna get cracking on some of these elves. I'm really excited about it. What are you guys making for Christmas? Because for my upcoming markets, I'm trying to elves. Did I say elves? I meant to say gnomes. If I said elves, I meant to say gnomes. But I am really excited about these gnomes, and that is what I'm making for my upcoming Christmas markets, as well as elf sleeping bag. That's probably what I meant to say. But regardless, I'm really excited about it. I just wanted to come on here pretty quickly and show you guys these awesome yarn skeins that I got. I will put the pattern to the gnome pattern I am using down in the link below or in the description box below. I have adjusted it. I've adjusted it for my liking. I use a 5.5 millimeter hook and two strands of yarn. I believe she uses like a 6 or an 8 or something, and she uses 3 strands of yarn. So that is how I do that. Anyways, a fun little yarn haul for you guys. I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. I'm excited about it. These are some muted colors that I don't normally get. And so I thought that for my gnomes that these would be absolutely good colors. I am weighting down my gnomes with a sock full of rice. So I'm not going to go out and buy those like pellets that everybody are buying. I have an overabundance of rice in my house. So I'm just going to use that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Christmas yarn haul video, and I will see you guys next time. But remember, above all else, that Jesus loves you. Bye.